Hey guys, it's Crockett36. This is No Limits House Rule game number 11. This is round 3 for the Americans. So war has not been declared, so I can't do anything that ways. I have the traditional $52. I'm going to build a bomber and 4 infantry and a destroyer. For 50, that's 12, and 8 of course is 20. That's 32, and then this is actually ends up being 3 subs. 1, 2, 3, and that's 18. So that's going to be 50 with $2 left over. I'll call this $2 right here. Okay. Okay. I'll put the. Okay, I'll put these here for the builds. Those are cool war room build thing for this. And this side. Okay, let me just change out. Destroyers are always so sticking useful for containing subs. So you know what? Let's do one destroyer in there instead. Slowly, so no one gets nauseous. We'll take away the $2. All right. So bombers are also air transports in this, so that's significant. All right. So can't do much. I'm not at war over here. Everything's full, and I could have. Oh no, I could have added. So one guy. Okay, we're good. I'm going to say that's okay right now. Yep, so that's okay. So let's go over here to the North Pacific. See if I can do a little magic. Okay, so he does have destroyers which can carry men. So we're gonna need a destroyer blocker. We'll put that in 16. And then we will. He's got some destroyers that he could put out there. That's a non-combat move, so all right. I will try to see if I can make my partner a little more happy.
So I will take the. Don't lean on that too much. Okay, so I'm going to bring this back to 8. Okay, I'm going to bring this back to 8. I have to play a little cat and mouse game, but partner's not really excited about that. So let's see what we have if we just put everything together. Okay, so, and then we would have, this would go 2, I won't make that. So we put this here, and we put the transports back here. This guy's on a destroyer, and then we put these guys up here, transports. Alright, so that would be 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 submarines. We could bring down here for a 4th submarine. And then we have 2 destroyers, 2 cruisers. So we have 4 units, 5, 6, 7, 8 units altogether. Now obviously he's got 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 hit points, and 5 attackers. So we could even say 1, 2, 1, 2. We could even bring them all up to 16 as the blocker fleet, I believe. Nothing in 3 though. I think they're all in 4. That would be embarrassing. I have to check, but this would equal 8. Nope, this won't go there. Nope, that won't go there. 7. It'll work in 7. Nope, 1, 2, 3. So I think 8's the best option. 15's the best option. Okay. Okay, so that would be 4 submarines, 2 destroyers, 2 cruisers. So 4, 8. 8 hit points versus 5. So, alright. Not a big fan. Alright, I'm going to have to splice this. Yeah, I'm going to splice this. Okay, this should be right here. That's the way I like to play it. 3 destroyers, 3 blockers. Run the blockers, get hit by the subs. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Hopefully these destroyers will be, yeah, that's how I like to play it. Oh, and there was something here, I think it was a destroyer, and he would come off and go with that guy. Okay, so, yeah, okay, so that'll be America. Maybe I'll work on that, splice that little unnecessary pause there.
Probably not. Okay, so I'll put down 3 guys here, and then 1 guy here. And then the bomber would have to go in central, and the destroyer would go in central as well. All right. So the recap would be, okay, so 3 carriers and 5 fighters, 1 diver and 1 battleship. Oh, and then this one could be up here, and the Super Duper Cruiser is up there in 102, and 101 is 4 transports and 1 destroyer, and Central Z Zone there is 1 infantry and 1 bomber. In Eastern there's 2 bombers and what looks to be I think that's 7 infantry, 1 tank, 3 mechs, 2 anti-aircraft, 1 artillery, and 2 bombers. Okay, and then over here we have 1 infantry in Philippines, 2 infantry in Hawaii, 2 subs and 1 destroyer in 10, 2 anti-aircraft in Western United States, 24 has a destroyer, 16 destroyer, 7 destroyer. And then in 15 is our 4 subs, 2 cruisers, 2 cruisers, and suddenly I realized that there's a problem with that. 2 cruisers and 2 transports. Okay, so one of these. Gotcha. All right, so definitely have to rearrange this. Okay, the problem is one of these destroyers have infantry on them, so that's not going to work. Okay, the other problem is that there's only 2 cruisers right there. So I'm going to put the cruisers back in here, the destroyers back in here. Okay, and I will let the challenge happen. And 16 right there. All right, that's going to have to be how it is. Which means that the final analysis for 15 is a 2 cruisers, 2 destroyers, 4 subs, 2 transports, 1 mech, 4 infantry, and 1 artillery. Okay. All right. That is it. That's U.S. turn 3. And I will do this. And that's a 3. If I failed again. Okay, and that's gonna be a 4 next time. I want super subs. So, all right, everything's placed, and that was my recap. Crack 36 out. By the way, I declare war on the Axis.